Hello everyone, I am welcoming you all once again to this channel. In today's video, we are going to explore some softwares where we can try to save the skeletal picture of our molecule, and for that we actually need a kind of free software. So I have found two of such softwares which will definitely help us in saving the skeletal image of our molecular structure. So for that, let's go to our Chrome and search for the MolView. So this is the MolView software, and this is actually an online based software. You can work like normally here only from this interface. So as you can see that this is the just a representative molecule that has been given on our screen, and if you want to delete, you can simply delete and you can try to redesign your own. So you see that this is how you can do it, and you can keep carbons or like any kind of structure that you want to create, and this is how you will see the 2D skeletal structure, and here is the 3D molecular, like the ball and bond type structure that you want to see. You can see that from here also, and if you want, you can simply like have this kind of ring like structure or something, and yeah. So this is how we can try to create. And not only this carbon only, if you want, you can also insert your uh, oxygen or any other atom. So here suppose I have nitrogen, I want to keep that nitrogen here. Suppose phosphorus, I want to keep it here. Oxygen suppose here, like just a random molecule. It's not a necessary molecule that has that might be having some name that I'm drawing here. Just any kind of random molecule I'm drawing simply to show that how can you do. And if you also want to delete something, you can also simply delete, or instead of deleting, what you can do, you can simply erase this CH4. Suppose I erased. Now you see this is the structure that we have created, and if you want to create this bond again, you can simply do it like this. So this is how you can restructure or redesign your molecular structure. Any kind of molecular structure of your choice, you can do it. And if you want to save this kind of 2D skeletal image, for that you can save it. If you want the 3D structure, you can also do that from here. So now let's download this structure, this 2D structure from here. So here is the option, you can simply go here and download, but the only thing here is, as you can see, it is asking for the subscription. If you want a high resolution or a kind of vector image, then you need the subscription, which is not a good thing for us. Okay, let's download this image and check that what kind of image we got. So you see that the resolution is little bit not that good because it's free, but this is okay for like काम चलाने के लिए हो जाएगा. Okay, fine. Now also let's download this 3D structure as well. No, 3D structure needs subscription. Okay, fine. So I just wanted to tell you that this is the kind of software is also available. If you really want to create some kind of this kind of structure, skeletal structure, then you can follow this software. And here also this kind of designing thing also you can do little bit. And this is kind of group that you want to attach. For that you have given this representation, and also it has okay, let me delete this. So it has this kind of this kind of like this kind of ring structure is also available. If you want to add the carbon atom to this, you can also add it like that. And this is how you can create your structure. Okay, so we understood that what thing we can do from this, and what is the kind of lag that we have there, mainly this kind of image quality. And also we have some restriction to save this 3D structure. So for that I also have another software which will also help you to create such kind of good skeletal image. And for that, let's search now this Ketcher. So this Sketcher is also an online based software. which will also help us to create such kind of skeletal image for our molecular structure. So first let's open this. Yeah, so now it's opened, and here what we can do, we can also try to do that kind of image that we have already done like with the help of this mole view. Suppose here I am simply choosing this kind of circle, like this kind of hexagonal ring, and now I just want to add something, or like you also you see like various options are available here, and like on the top, on the sidebar, and on the down bar. So wherever you want, like whatever you want the changes, wherever you want to make some changes, you can also do that by using the help of the this kind of tools that are available to us. And here you see, if I will click on this, you see like this kind of representation is also like we got, and this is also another like the same kind of representation, we just redo that. So now here suppose I want to add this kind of group, then what will happen, like this is one CS3 group that we just simply added here. And now I want to click on this oxygen atom, and suppose I want to have a phosphorus here. Like whatever you want, you can also keep that atoms or groups to be added on any position of your choice. Then you can simply create your like molecular structure. So if you want to zoom that also, you can simply zoom it also. So now you see that suppose we have a skeletal figure of any kind of molecular structure. Now what we can do, if you want to save this structure, then how can we do that? Simply here you can go, and here is the option, like you see like you want to save the structure of this Ketcher file that we have saved. Suppose you want to give any kind of name, suppose Ketcher1 I just gave, and here are some file options are available, like which file you want to save it into. Like you see the ket format, MDL, mol file, and all this is also available. And these are the files which will have your coordinate of the atoms of the same molecule. And if you go little down, you can see that the save image SVG document, PNG image, so these options are also available. So let's click on this PNG image, and this is how this is the preview of that image that we are going to save. And now save it. So let's open the same and to check. Now you see that apart, so the structure that we have saved with the MolView uh, is and the structure that we have saved using this Ketcher, the Ketcher gave a better resolution and better representative way to our like skeletal form. You can use this simply to save your skeletal image. And also another option that I want to show you here is, like here in the settings, if you will go here, simply you will see various options are available to us. And suppose you don't want your atoms to be coloring, so you can simply click on off. Now apply. Now you see that the molecules which were with this red color, blue color, and orange color is now only completely with this black color. And also there is another option like set ACS setting. If you are going to publish something with this American Chemical Society, like they are like they have certain kind of settings to their images and all. So if you will simply do that, like I clicked on here, and let's apply here. So your molecular structure will become like that only. That thing is also very like easier for us not to go through each and every statement of the like that, like all that kind of conditions that we are provide, like that has been provided by the publisher, that we don't have to go through one by one. Rather here we can simply click on this setting and hit on apply. You will get all that kind of thing. So this is how this Ketcher is very much helpful. And you can also have this MolView. Like suppose you want to see the 3D structure and 2D structure at a time, that MolView will definitely help you. And this Ketcher is very good for saving your molecular structure, like the skeleton kind of structure. And also in the 3D also there are various options. I have like you see, like in the 3D your molecule will look like this, and you can click on apply. And if you want, how can you save this? That option I don't have right now, but I think it might be somewhere you guys can explore and check things. And also there is option to erase. Suppose I want to erase this, so now you see that this particular group is emitted. And if you want to write some text, something, you can simply type and click on apply. Now you see that this text is here. And you can try to, if you want, you can try to bring it near or farther than the molecule, like this you can do. And if you want some extra image that you want to insert, you simply click on this, and I think you will get that. Or somewhere you can like you can copy something and you can simply paste by using your control V or command V, something. So this is how we can typically design our molecular structure, or any kind of skeletal structure that of your choice. You can do it from here. And also some things I have seen, okay, this is just to add hydrogens. And various options they are there to yeah, here, like here you see that we are now working with the molecule. Suppose you want some macromolecules, typically that kind of DNA, RNA, protein, peptides, like that. You see various options are available. Like in peptide you have this kind of you see, like this is the cystic acid. And this one is D3 something like naphthyl alanine. So some such kind of groups are also available. If you want to design that also you can do. And if you will go for the RNA, there also you will get various such kind of things, FRNA, or like you see, like whatever you want to do you can also do that. I have not explored much, so I can't help you that much in this, but you guys can explore this to get some idea, like what kind of molecular structure that you want to redesign, or it is already available here, you can simply take that. And various other like chemical like molecules, like this is formyl benzamide. And this is also a very big molecule. Like what, if you want, you can also choose this kind of structures. Okay, yeah. So if you will click, simply it will come to this way. And if you want to save it, you can simply save it in the Ketcher format. Okay, or SVG document. Okay, so you can save it from here. Suppose you want some kind of molecule which is already present over here, you can simply click on that. It will come to your screen, and then after that you can simply save the MDL file, or sequence one, or any kind of structure that you want. Sequence is not available for this one. Or you can simply save the SVG document for the same. Save it, and now you see the SVG is ready. And this is how the molecule looks like. I think we have to then you can simply crop it, and you can arrange that using your like editing software. There you can like have such kind of design or something. Yeah. So this much for today's session. I just wanted to tell you that these kind of softwares are also available, where you can save your molecular skeletal form of your molecular structure. And I think it will be helpful for you, and you guys can try and explore. And yeah, thank you so much for attending this.